juicy and sweet, good for your bread. Right there, I'm the sun, my color is yellow. I shine up high and make things mellow. Yellow! Look at me, I'm the sky, my color is blue. I stretch so far and hold the clouds too. I'm a leaf on a tree, my color is green. I grow in the spring and keep the air clean. Green! I'm a carrot, you know my color is orange. I'm crunchy and tasty, good for a lunch. Orange! I'm a pretty flower, my color is pink. I bloom in the garden, what do you think? Pink! I'm a grape on the vine, my color is purple. I'm sweet and round, like a little circle. Purple! I'm a fluffy cloud, my color is white. I float in the sky and feel so light. White! I'm a friendly cat, my color is black. I purr